So we have to connect now. You have to see that these are all in line and no connector is showing here and there. Then we have to look for the hole and connect this screw. Don't tight it, keep it loose because other screws are also has to be connected. We have to connect total 6. This is second, this one is third, this is fourth. It will get connected over here. This is fifth. And this is sixth. Now tight it little harder because during transport the motherboard should not come out from this CPU cabinet. Okay, so connection of motherboard is completed. Now we have to connect this power supply. To connect the power supply, just see this is a 24-pin connector and here is a cut again. This is not up level completely. From here to here the cut is not there, and from here to here also the cut is not there. I don't know whether it is visible or not. Just make a zoom and see. Yeah, here it is indicating. This is a plate which will lock the connector of SMPS. This is the first connector, and the same type situation is here in this connector too. It's a 12-volt connector, and at this side, this is the outer side. It's a locking pin. So what will happen with this SMPS? There are many connectors or wire you will see, but for power there are only 2 connectors. One is for 24 pin, and this pin will lock with outer connector, or here this pin will, this is the 4 pin. It's a 12-volt connector and this will lock with this connector. So we'll simply just put this connector here and make a press, it will get locked. For this power connector also, this will go outside. We'll connect in first 4. So the second 4 is now open. See, these are open. Only the first 4 pins we have connected. Now we have to fix this SMPS. It will not come, it will come like this. The holes are matching 1, 2, 3 and 4. These all are matching. So we'll connect the screws over here. Like this we have to fix all these 4 screws, and now the CPU is ready to use. Only one thing is that we have not connected the SSD as of now. So everything is connected except SSD. In next video we will show how to connect the SSD.